What's up guys? In this tutorial I will show you how to add an app icon in Xcode. First, launch Xcode and open the project whose app icon you want to change. In the project navigator, select your project folder and open the Assets catalog. Inside Assets, click App Icon. You will see the placeholders for any appearance, dark and tinted. Prepare square 1024 by 1024 PNG files without rounded corners for each appearance. Drag and drop your icon into the matching placeholder. Use your normal full color icon for any appearance, a version turned for dark backgrounds for dark, and a simplified high contrast version for tinted, so it looks good when the system applies a tint. If your app is not picking up the icon, select your app target, open the General tab, find App Icons, and make sure the app icon is set to App Icon. Build and run the app in the iOS simulator or on a connected device to preview the result. If the new icon does not show immediately, clean the build and relaunch the app. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.